Today for the inspiration of the week, we have here Xero. They have this cool setup guide. They have videos and everything about it. But Courtney, I just love to just dig into this.
I love that they have a great use of modals, slide outs, videos. They're using all the different pattern types that AppQs has to offer, and I think that keeps it really fresh for the user going through it.
By changing it up, change your pace, you change your technique, you change your approach. It actually grabs your attention with that, right?
Maybe people learn through different methods or variations. So like if you have a video that walks through, maybe that resonates with somebody. So it's kind of nice that you might hit different learning styles too.
What I also really love about the setup guide is that it's very action oriented. So like, hey, when you go through this next set of items, you're gonna be able to send an invoice or add a bill or connect your bank.
Yeah, totally. We know as a business that's going to help us in the end because our person's going to activate quicker. They're going to be more sticky. So you know you're helping yourself while also helping a client, which is win-win.
One other thing I really love about this is like need help. Sometimes we get stuck and they make it really easy to reach out.
Yeah, I think it's great to remember that we can give them all the tools, but sometimes somebody just needs to talk to someone. So, allowing them the space to do that instead of thinking like, why didn't you just go through the tour is good and thoughtful. Like you mentioned, I think it's a good touch too.
Thank you so much, Courtney and Xero. To the Xero team, thank you so much for creating this experience for us.